Happy day, children. This is me, Priya ma'am. I welcome you all to Avyuk Kitty Cloud. We are going to learn about an animal today, which is donkey. Let's learn about donkey today. A male donkey is called as Jack. So donkeys are of male and female. The male donkey is called as Jack. And how do we call the female donkey as? The female donkey is called as Janet. The male donkey is called as Jack and the female donkey is called as Janet. Donkeys eat hay or it is called as dried grass. Donkey also eats lots of leaves. Donkeys can eat vegetables also. And the sound of the donkey is called as brays. Let's listen to the sound of the donkey. So this sound of the donkey is called as brays. A baby donkey is called as a foal. The baby donkey is called as foal. And why do we use the donkey for? Donkeys are used to carry loads. So if we are not able to carry a baggage which is very heavy, donkeys can help us in carrying loads. We will meet again with the next session. Till then, it's bye-bye from Priya ma'am.